The Editor Tools panel contains a variety of tools to help you out with the basic usage of the editor. The first tool is the Cursor tool. When you open any project in Codelessly, this tool will be selected by default. The Cursor tool allows you to select, move, resize, and interact with nodes on the canvas in general. Tap on it to select it. Alternatively, you can use the keyboard shortcut V to select it. The second tool is the Rectangle tool with an optional Oval tool inside of its overflow menu. This tool allows you to draw a rectangle or oval on the canvas. Click on the arrow button on the right of the tool to switch between Rectangle tool and Oval tool. You can also use the keyboard shortcut R to select it or O to select the Oval tool. Once you select the tool, you can tap anywhere on the root canvas to create a default-sized square box. Alternatively, you can hold down your pointer and drag on the root canvas to create the box. The box is created once you release your pointer. The third tool is the Text tool. You can select it by tapping on its icon or use the shortcut T to switch to it. While the Text tool is selected, you can click anywhere on the canvas to create text that wraps its content horizontally and vertically. We will get into horizontal and vertical size fits in a future tutorial. Alternatively, you can create a fixed size text box by pressing down and dragging across the canvas. Let's pause and try to use the Cursor tool to modify our two nodes right now. The Cursor tool is automatically reselected after you create any new node on the canvas, so we don't need to select it again. Select the text node we just created by tapping on it while the Cursor tool is selected. Then press down and drag it inside the bounds of the box we created earlier. We just put the text node as a direct child of the rectangle node. The text now always exists relative to the top left corner of the box. To resize the box, we can select it with the Cursor tool again and then press down and drag any of its four corners. Let's go back to the Tools panel. The most important tool is the Canvas tool. This tool allows you to create screens for your app or website. You can think of canvases as screens on user-facing devices like phones, tablets, and monitors. A canvas ideally fills the screen on the device it's running on when you publish your app or website. While Codelessly is completely free-form in nature, allowing you to put anything almost anywhere, it's important that you put your final designs in a canvas so that you can publish them later. Your layouts need to be inside of a canvas to be eligible for publishing. Select the Freeform Canvas tool by clicking on this button in the Tools panel or using the keyboard shortcut C. You can click anywhere to create a canvas for you to get started with, or you can press down and drag to create a canvas for your desired size, just like how other tools work. This tool will create a freeform canvas, which allows you to put nodes using relative coordinates to the canvas's top left corner. To move nodes into a canvas, just select the node you want to move, then drag and drop it onto the canvas. Note that you can't move canvases inside other canvases. It's important to also note that Codelessly offers two kinds of canvases. A free-form canvas is what we just created, but there's also auto canvases, which is the last tool in the Editor Tools panel. Select the Auto Canvas tool by clicking on this button in the Tools panel or use the keyboard shortcut A. The Auto Canvas tool also creates a canvas, but unlike the Freeform Canvas tool, this will create an auto canvas with rows and columns. This type of canvas allows you to insert and align nodes not relative to the canvas's top left corner, but rather to other nodes inside the same layout it's in. For example, you can put a node on the right, left, top, or bottom of another node, just like how rows and columns behave in any design system. While normal canvases can do this too, an auto canvas is best when you want to create responsive UI right off the bat.